let's see what we got here. See if this drone keeps up with me. See if it keeps up with me here. So far, so good. So far, it's keeping up with me. Oh, look, we got a train coming. And it's so loud. Damn train. So out here just riding around Davenport, Iowa, people. Just filming my ride. We got a beautiful day today, so that's that. We got a beautiful day to celebrate. Have a good time. this cool bike coming up right here. I like that. Yes, I do. I like that cool bike. I guess this is where we're going to turn around at. Somewhere in this parking lot. Somewhere in this parking lot we'll be turning around. Turn around right here. Turn around right here. Drone just gave me some type of warning. Flight warning. Excuse me. Oh, that guy's out here filming too. With his camera. So I'm just out here just riding along. Davenport next to the river, the mighty Mississippi River. Right over there. It's beautiful out here today, I must admit. Oh, I never noticed that they took the cars off of the Ferris wheel in the winter time. Now I know. Now I know what they do. This is actually a nice day today. I'm loving it. Even got a boat out there. Just the other day that river was frozen. I'm surprised there's a boat out there. I would say just Monday. Well, see, today is Wednesday. I would say over the weekend it was frozen. Like last Friday. I know for sure last Friday it was frozen. I know for sure it was frozen last Friday. But there's a boat out there today. It's actually pretty cool. Got my drone following me. Out here just flying around. I mean riding around and got my drone following me. Let me see how well it does over here though. If I go around these. pulleys here. It's actually going pretty well. We go around this way. So far I've been flying for 16 minutes. 16 minutes of flight. So I'm just trying to see if I can get like 25 minutes. They say we can get like 31 minutes of flight time on this thing, but that remains to be seen. So